How to hide bio on Instagram app privacy settings guide. Your Instagram bio is visible to everyone by default, and if you value your privacy or simply don't want strangers reading your personal details, you need to know how to control exactly who sees it. In the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through every privacy option Instagram gives you to protect your bio in 2026. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're covering how to hide your bio on Instagram and take full control of your profile privacy. Whether you want to hide from the general public, limit visibility to followers only, or go completely private, this guide covers all your options step by step. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your personal profile page. This is where all your privacy controls begin and where we are going to make all of today's changes. Step 2. The most effective way to hide your bio from strangers is to switch your account to private. Tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile, then tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Account Privacy. Toggle on the Private Account option. Once this is active, only your approved followers can see your bio, your posts, and your stories. Everyone else sees a locked profile with no bio visible at all. Step 3. If you don't want to go fully private but still want to limit who finds your profile, scroll down inside Settings and Privacy and tap Hidden Words. This won't hide your bio visually, but it controls how your profile appears in search results and limits unwanted engagement from accounts you haven't approved. Step 4. To reduce your profile visibility even further, go back to Settings and Privacy, tap Followers and Following, then tap Restrict. Adding specific accounts to your restricted list means those users can still see your profile, but their ability to interact with you is heavily limited. This is useful when you want certain people to see less of your presence without fully blocking them. Step 5. If you want to keep your account public but simply remove personal details from your bio, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, and clear out any sensitive information from your bio field manually. Replace it with something neutral or leave it completely blank. A blank bio on a public account gives away nothing while still keeping your account open to new followers. Step 6. For users who manage both a personal and a public presence, consider switching to a creator or business account for your public content and keeping your personal account fully private. This way, your professional bio stays visible where you want it, and your personal profile stays completely protected. Pro tip: regularly audit who is following you by going to your followers list and removing any accounts you don't recognize. Even on a private account, approved followers can see your full bio. Keeping your followers list clean is just as important as your privacy settings when it comes to protecting your personal information on Instagram. And that is your complete guide to hiding your bio on Instagram. To recap, switch to a private account to hide your bio from non-followers. Use hidden words to limit search visibility. Use restrict for specific accounts. Manually clear sensitive details from your bio if staying public, and regularly review your followers list to stay in control. Your privacy, your rules. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Instagram privacy and settings tutorials, and let me know in the comments. Do you keep your Instagram public or private and why? I read every comment and I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.